Welcome back to the channel, and in today's very cool video, very weird and cool video, we have an unreleased product. Just like in my past video, I did manage to get my hands on this a little early. Kind of cool and weird at the same time. It's weird when they do these little squishies, Victini, Celebi, and the Mew. Mew looks a little wonky to me, at least from inside the box. And we do have some packs. Hopefully we get some good pulls. And yeah, I believe the price on this is also $50, which is kind of expensive in my opinion. But I had to buy it just to see if we get anything good. So let's open it and let's see. Okay, let's get some sleeves in here. Let's pop this open. Hopefully, I'm not sure. This was from Target. I'm not sure if it's like a Target exclusive or whatnot. But I've been seeing, I have seen other people finding these as well, but I don't think that the store is actually supposed to sell them yet to the public. I'm not sure what the official release date is either, but at least we got our hands on it. This Mew is so tiny. Look at that. It's kind of cute. I guess you can squish it if you ever don't get any pulls. You're ever mad. Little Victini. Kind of cool. Okay. And we have Celebi. Big head. Wow. This one feels very flimsy. But I guess not too bad. Let's check out these promo. Well, they're not promos, but they threw them in here for free. Freebies. Celebi. Here goes the Mew. Pretty cute. And the Victini. I'll give you guys that code card right now. There you go. You're gonna have to manually type those in. Okay, let's see what kind of packs we got. We got 8 packs. See a Rebel Clash. Get this out the way. So, we have Evolving Skies, Chilling Rain, Battle Styles, Vivid, another Evolving, another Battle Styles, another Vivid, and a Rebel. Okay. I will just honestly, I'll just get straight into it. Let's see if these stand up back here. I don't think they will. Somewhat. No. Oh. Thanks to Victini's ears, he kind of stands up. Let's sleeve these up just so we don't forget them. Alright. And we will set these back here. Let's get into a Vivid first. Code card. Let's see what we have. Ooh, okay, Lightning. Hopefully that means a little something. Shuppet, Poochyena, Voltorb, Rockruff, Tuelo, Dusknoir, and okay, the lightning was a lie and it didn't mean anything, unfortunately. Let's see, Battle Styles, code card. See if maybe we can pull an alternate art. We have Tower of Water, Yamper, Murkrow, Slandit, Bellsprout, Mainful, Esper Reverse, And Esper's big brother. Nothing there. Let's do Rebel. Cold card. Man, guess I'm gonna have to use these little squishies because we are not getting any hits. Maybe they intentionally put in bad cards in these boxes so you can just take your anger out on them. Yeah, look at that. We are 0 for 3 right now. Get into Evolving Skies, and maybe that can help us out. Gold card. 4 to the front. Shopping Center, Lantern, Ursaring, Feebas, Hippo, Lillipup, Nickit, Bergmite, Pyroar, and an Appleton. Alright, well, we have 4 left. And I have to take my anger out on Mew. Just, where are these hits at, Mew? We'll go Chilling Reign. Don't worry, no Pokemon were hurt in the making of this video. Just so nobody comes after me. Bounsweet, Furfrou, Diglett, Larvesta, Inkay. We got the Rangus, and okay, we got a Calyrex. That's finally a hit. A V, not too bad. See if these have anything. Cold card. Okay. B, Furrowseed, Riolu, Sandile, Whelmer, Weedle, Zeraora, and nothing else. Alright, now I'm starting to kind of get a little sad with these packs. Now it's really not worth the price. Okay, see if anything comes out here. Karina's Focus, Silicobra, Mr. Mime, Onix, Sparrow, Slizzlepede, Electrive, and another no hit. Okay, Evolving Skies has to bring us back. They won't let us down. Code card, there's no way we're gonna go out like this. Swoobat, Gloves, Stormy Mountains, Nickit, Dwebble, Rufflet, Raggenrola, and wow, okay, I take it back. Well, guess we're gonna have to bring this out. Maybe this can help us out. Yeah, this thing got beat up during shipping. This one is the GameStop exclusive. I opened the Dark Sylveon in one of my last videos. This one comes with a Sylveon pin, a little Shy Charizard coin there. Pretty cool, a huge coin. And it comes with both V's in one box rather than 2 separate ones. So we'll open this up and hopefully it's better than our last box we just opened up, because that was sad. Okay, there we go. Another little paper from the last video. I love how all these products have the 25th logo here. I think that's really cool. Okay. And here goes the Sylveon again, and your code card. See, sleeve up the Sylveon. Oh, Celebi. And take a closer look at this Charizard. Pretty cool artwork. And the pen. Really cute pen. Wish they would have made them dark, like a dark Sylveon pen, but still happy with that. And here goes your Jumbo Charizard. Get rid of this. Here goes our Shy Charizard. Look at that. Pattern on that is pretty cool. And let's get into these packs. Okay. So if you saw my last video, I was after 3 certain celebrations cards, and that was the Shiny Magikarp, the Charizard, or the Umbreon. Whoa. So let's see if we can get in any of those in this video. We have a Birdkeeper, Sweetney, Bounsweet, Dunsparce, Electrike, Mr. Mime, Grimer, Paris, and a Swanna. Nothing in that pack either. Okay, well, at least we're finally into celebrations. We have to have some good luck here. There goes your code card. Kyogre, Dialga, Cosmog, and a Mew. Okay, first pack was not that good. Get into the second one. Code card. And we no hit again. Okay. We just cannot get a single hit in these packs. I'm not sure what is going on today. It is definitely not a good day for me. Hope you guys are having a better one, because this is not right. Can we at least get a single hit? No, we cannot. I mean, we gotta get something. I can't believe for it to all end this way. I really can't. There goes your code card. Alright, let's see. We have Pharaoh, Tepig, Glameow, Silicobra, Frillish, Scatterbug, Spoink. Not even a regular holo rare. Man, at this point my best card is going to be a promo card. How's that possible? Alright, we need a Charizard to save us. Charizard or a Mew? We have a Dark Gyarados. Okay. Finally. And a Surfing Pikachu behind that. Wow. Never would I have thought it would have took this long to get a hit. Good hit. For sure. Dark Gyarados. But, so disappointed. We have 2 left. Hopefully these have something. I feel like you gotta be very delicate with these. Okay. And no hit here. But we got a full art Professor's Research. Oh, forgot the code card again. We have a full art Professor's Research. Okay. Alright, this has to be a God pack, last pack magic. It has to be. It just has to be. Code card. And let's see from the back. Okay, do we get a hit? Boom. we have a hit. It wasn't what we're looking for, but we got something. And definitely gotta appreciate it, especially after this video. And I mean, if you made it through this far, thank you. I mean, this is honestly all I pulled, unfortunately. So be sure to let me know what your favorite is. I'll have to go with Gyarados. I'm sure you guys will too. Or feel free to choose from any of these promos. But thank you for watching, and hopefully these live after today. Take care.